Hello guys, in this video I have just a simple question. For how long should you hold a stock in swing trading? Okay, now let's begin from the beginning. In all my strategies, we search a stock at the end of the day, let's say at 3 o'clock before the close. Then when we find, when we do our criteria, we find stocks, we put them in the chart, and then we begin to look at them and select the ones that we are going to buy. When we select them, we go to our broker account, we buy them, 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you have money to buy, and then we put stop loss. And then you close your account. Your job has finished for the day. Okay? You take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes working. That's it, what you should do in swing trading. It's not you study the stock for the whole day or for the whole week or for 1 year you're studying a stock or a company. Okay? In order to make money, you don't need to look too much. Okay? And even when you search, you shouldn't search all the sectors, all the industries, because you can't. You will find a lot and you don't have money to buy. So don't frustrate yourself with searching a lot. Okay? If you have 2,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or 50,000, you can't buy that much. Okay? Let's say you find 20 stocks that are good today. Are you going to buy 20 stocks today? Then tomorrow you find 20 or 30 or 10. Then the other day you will find the same. So are you going to buy all these? You don't have money. So if you don't have money, why you search too much? Okay, that's why in my subscription, I do it on Friday just because I will let the guys study, because they are beginners, study and they see and they watch my videos many times to understand what I am doing. Okay? Now, second day, it means tomorrow. You buy today, and then you wait for tomorrow at the end of the day, and you will see how long to hold the stock. Depends on the stock itself. Now, how? Because you will never know where this stock will go. I just made a video before showing the winners of Surge 29. Okay? We are just in the first week and all the stocks go up. Okay? How many weeks should we stay? Until the trend ends. You tell me when the trend ends. I don't know. It could take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 8 months, 1 year. We will never know. But its stock is different from other stocks. Okay? But in majority, all they follow the same index, most of them. If, for example, if an index has been going for months, like 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, or 10 months, most of the stocks will follow. Because the guys, the big guys that we are always speaking about in our channel, mutual funds and pension plans, banks, big traders, big companies, hedge fund, all those guys, international traders, international investors, all these people, when they are buying and they see something interesting and they are buying, okay, they don't buy in the same day. Understand that. That's why we have an uptrend. It means that when the guys begin to buy, each one comes in one time. For example, let's say me, I find the trend in the beginning, but other people will find it in the middle, other people will find it at the end. Okay, so we will never know how long. So stop limiting the profit. This is a big problem when you begin to think when you take your profits. If you want to take your profits and you see them, take them wherever you want, but your decision should be with the market decision. If you take too soon, I see some people, the second day they sell. Here I'm not talking about what I did or what I do or what I will do with gap apps. Gap apps is too much. Okay? That's why I sell in the second day. It's not because I'm happy to take little money. A gap app is a lot of money. Okay? And I always give you this example. I buy a stock called ANAC, A-N-A-C. I have a video about it. You can see it in my videos. I bought it before the earnings, before the market close, at $78. The next day in the morning, or at the end of the day, it goes to 135. Tell me, how can I leave? My money has been nearly doubled. How can I leave this money for short sellers in the morning to come and short the stock and take $1? I will not accept. That's why at the opening or before the open or during the day, I take my money and I am happy with that. This is exceptional. This is an exception. It's not the rule. But sometimes I stay with the stock 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. And you tell me why? I say, the stock is giving me money, so why should I sell it? Okay? It's so simple. But there are skills that you should learn. That's why I have a training level 7. How to follow an uptrend. You should have skills developed in order to know when to exit on time. Sometimes in 1 week, you stay 1 week, you see some money, you see 5%, 7%, 10%, you get tempted to take this money. And you get scared that the stock will go down and you lose your profit. Now, if you are scared, you always lose. Always you lose. You take $200, $300 profit and you think that this is it. And after a few days, few weeks, you see your stock go so far that it may be getting 50%, 70 or 100%. And you begin saying, oh, I don't know if I know. So, you should learn these skills in order to know when. It shouldn't be exact because you will never know when the stock stops giving money and then it goes down. Either it goes down like a big correction, or it can go down in a downtrend because all the people who have bought for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, they are buying, and some people they come late. Now when some other people, when they have too much money in the market, they want to take some of their profit or all their profit, depending on what they see. Okay? So my answer to this question, for how long, I say it depends on the stock itself and the trend. Is the stock trending and you see the trend going on, or is it just a little small trend and the stock will go down and then you just exit? It means if the stock stays just a few days, this is not considered as a trend. A trend takes weeks or months to complete. Okay? It's an accumulation of a lot of money. A lot of people, they watch the market and they see it. So they see the stock in different stages. Now the mutual fund, always they buy from the bottom, or they buy from wherever they want to buy because they are a major power. They push the stocks to go up. So they know what they are doing because they have billions of dollars to spend. Now, but you and I, we should follow these big hands in order to make money in the market. If you don't know how to follow these guys, or you don't know how to search stocks, if you don't know, you just, everything, you are always confused and frustrated. If the stock is going down against you, you stay and you think it will go up, you lose money, and then you have a big loss. Or even if when you are right and the trend has just begun, you get scared and you sell. And then you see your stock going up and up and up and up, as if you throw your money on the table and you go home. So other people will take this money. Okay? So thank you for watching this video. If you have more questions, just ask. Thumb it up or subscribe. Please share my videos. And thank you very much.